You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all in Spanish. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from Spanish, stay tuned. Two different ways of pronouncing it in Spanish. Ciro, Ciro, or Ciro, with the C pronounced like TH. That would be Central Spain, Central Spanish pronunciation, Ciro or Ciro. Therefore in English, Ciro or Ciro. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.